In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook email. If you're facing issues such as not being able to send or receive emails, the first thing you need to do is ensure your computer is connected to the internet. Look for the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar or check your network settings. A stable internet connection is crucial for Outlook to function correctly. If your connection is weak or disconnected, that could be the root of your problems. Make sure you have a reliable network, and once confirmed, you're ready to move on. Next, open Outlook and verify that it isn't in work offline mode. You can check this by looking at the status bar at the bottom of the Outlook window. If it shows working offline, click on the Send/Receive tab at the top, then click on Work Offline to toggle it back online. This step is essential because if Outlook is offline, it won't send or receive any emails. You want to make sure that your application is actively connected to your email servers. From there, click the Send/Receive button in Classic Outlook or click Sync if you're using New Outlook. This action manually syncs your mailbox and ensures that any new emails are fetched from the server. This little step helps refresh your inbox and can often resolve minor issues related to email display. You'll notice your inbox updating, and if there are new emails, they should appear shortly. Now check your inbox as well as your junk email, spam, other, and deleted items folders. Sometimes emails can be filtered or accidentally moved to these folders. Look carefully to ensure you're not missing any important messages. It's easy to overlook this step, but it's worth it to double-check all folders. This can save you a lot of time later if you find what you need. After confirming your folders, restart Outlook. Closing the application and reopening it can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting its performance. Simply exit the program and launch it again. You may be surprised at how often a simple restart can resolve issues. This allows Outlook to reset its processes and can often fix minor problems. Next, verify that your email account password is correct. If you've recently changed it, you'll need to update this in Outlook. Go to File, then Account Settings, and select your email account. Make sure the password entered matches your current password. This is important because an incorrect password will prevent Outlook from accessing your email. Take your time to ensure this detail is accurate, and once confirmed, you can proceed with confidence. Check that your mailbox isn't full. A full mailbox can prevent new emails from coming in. Delete any unnecessary emails or large attachments to free up space. This step is crucial for maintaining the functionality of your email account. If you find your mailbox is full, clearing it out can lead to a smoother experience in the future. Next, disable unnecessary Outlook add-ins by starting Outlook in safe mode. To do this, press Windows and R together to open the Run dialog. Type outlook.exe/safe and press Enter. This launches Outlook without any add-ins that may be causing problems. By disabling these add-ins, you can troubleshoot if they are interfering with your email operations. After that, you may need to repair Outlook or Microsoft Office. Open Settings, navigate to Apps, and select Installed Apps. Find Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office in the list. Click on the More Options button, which looks like 3 dots, and select Modify. Start with Quick Repair, and if the issue persists, move on to Online Repair. This process can resolve various issues and restore the functionality of your software. If the problem continues, create a new Outlook profile and add your email account again. This can help if your current profile is corrupted. Go to Control Panel, then Mail, and select Show Profiles. Click Add to create a new profile. This step is essential as it allows you to start fresh, ensuring that any underlying issues with your current profile are resolved. Note that the exact solution depends on the issue you're experiencing. If you can't send emails, make sure your internet connection is stable and that work offline is turned off. Check for large attachments or messages stuck in the outbox. If you can't receive emails, verify your account settings and check your junk email folder. Finally, if Outlook won't open or keeps freezing, start in safe mode. Disable problematic add-ins or repair Microsoft Office. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider using the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the Get Help app in Windows. These tools can diagnose Outlook automatically, providing you with additional assistance when needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you get your Outlook back on track.